Hello everyone, welcome to an exciting Flawless moment. My name is Margaret of Flawless Consult. Today we will be talking about an exciting topic titled the O sound. The O sound. Now this sound is one of the 8 diphthongs of the English language, and we're going to be learning the proper way to pronounce this sound when found in words. And the first word we're going to be pronouncing is the word pure. Pure. P-U-R-E. Pure. The water is pure. We used to calling it pure, which is wrong pronunciation. The right one is pure. The next word is cure. Cure. C-U-R-E. Cure. We used to calling it cure, which is wrong. The right pronunciation is cure. They found a cure for his disease. The next word is tour. Tour. T-O-U-R. Tour. I went on a tour at the National Theatre yesterday. Tour. We used to calling it tour or tour, which is the wrong pronunciation. The right one is tour. Now the last word we're going to be pronouncing is the word shore. Shore. We used to calling it shore. S-U-R-E is pronounced shore. Shore. I am sure he'll be here today. Sure. And with that, we've come to the end of today's learning process. So until next time, keep learning. Bye for now.